Yung ito ng paglilitis, pag-uusapan natin ang confidential funds. Ito ang budget para sa mga sensitibo at surveillance-related activities upang suportahan ang mandato ng mga civilian agencies. That a budget is intended for confidential operations does not mean that the conduct of the officials involved in the handling of people's money is exempted from the demands of transparency, scrutiny, and accountability. Public office is a public trust. Yan ang sabi ng konstitusyon. Sakop nito ang lahat na nasa gobyerno. At ang utos na yan ay hindi pwedeng balewalain dahil confidential lang o confidential ang pondo. Ang confidentiality ay para protektahan ang lehitimong operasyon at informant. Hindi ito pahintulot para mag-imbento ng pangalan at dokumento. Hindi ito palusot para ibulsa ang pera. Kung confidential ang pondo, lalo pa ngang mataas ang pananagutang kaakibat nito. The Constitution entrusts this court with the solemn duty to determine whether the respondent Vice President committed culpable violation of the Constitution, graft and corruption, and betrayal of public trust. The evidence will show that she did. This case, Article 1, is about 612.5 million in confidential funds entrusted to VP Sara Duterte through the Office of the President and the Department of Education. This is not about one missing receipt. This is not about a clerical error or accounting mistake. The evidence will reveal a pattern, a systemic course of conduct that, taken as a whole, demonstrates graft and corruption and betrayal of public trust.
With the permission of the Honorable De Lima, yes, Counsel for
Your Honors,
Respondent.
again, Your Honors, I think we have to object to the statements being made by the Honorable De Lima, with all due respect, of course. Your Honors, they can do that through the offer of their evidence, Your Honor.
Chair will instruct the
this is
Honorable De Lima
another-
to kindly limit her statements. I was listening.
Ayun na, puro kasi propaganda eh. Puro propaganda, hindi ayusin eh. Puro ano. Putang ina, magpakita kayo ng ebidensya, hindi yung speech kayo ng speech dyan. Magpresenta ng ebidensya, ipresenta na kagad yung taong, yung witness, hindi yung putang ina ninyo. Pinagalitan na nga si Luistro dyan, pinagalitan na si Kapunan dyan, tas ginawa nyo na naman, pukin ang ina nyo. Mga gago talaga kayo.
In the beginning, it was okay, Honorable De Lima, but later on, you did make conclusions of law already, which the Chair orders to be stricken from the record. You may wind up, Honorable De Lima, but kindly avoid conclusions of fact and law.
O, di ba, sinasabi naman na yan, kabobo-bobo nyo. Kayo magsasabi ng mga conclusion of facts and law because trabaho yan ng Senado to know kung may mga paglabag ba, hindi yung putsang ina kung makapagsalita na kayo. Kala ninyo tapos na yung kaso eh. Mga inutil eh.
Your Honors, please, if I may just be given just
Yes,
a few seconds. Your Honors, ang naging problema natin nung huling pagkakataon na pinayagan natin yung ganitong statement at sinasabi na nga ng presiding officer is kahit naman i-strike off the record natin, narinig na po at nasabi na. So to allow, Your Honors, again, a continuation of such is really goes into the matter of fair play, Your Honor.
Galit na si Powa, no? Tama yung sinabi ni Powa. Sinabi na ni Cayetano, ni Senator Cayetano na babae. Pucha, nasabi na eh. Tapos, pinapabayaan ninyo na marinig, tapos ipapa-strike out nyo. Itang ina yun nga ang plano nitong mga hayop na ito. Kaya nga inuulit-ulit nila yung pagkakamali niyan. Dahil ang plano nila, propaganda. Regardless, tanggalin nyo yan o hindi, wala mang pakialaman tao kung ano yung naisusulat dyan sa putang inang hearing na yan. Yung isinabi na, hindi mo na yun makakalimutan, nasabi na yun eh. So, lugin-lugi. Ito na sinasabi natin eh. Kaya nagagalit na si Powa. Tinan mo yung mukha ni Powa. Hindi pwede yun, sir. Na pinababayaan natin magpropaganda itong mga ito.
Honorable De Lima,
Again, with all
kindly
due
wind
respect,
up. Again, you were forewarned beforehand to kindly limit your statements. Hence, you are faced again with a similar situation. Kindly wind up, Honorable De Lima, and call your witness.
Ang dami pong malalampasan.
Ulul, gago. Putang ina nyo. Ipakita nyo yung ebidensya nyo. Walang malalagpasan kung matino yung mga pukin ng ina-ebidensya nyo. Ang daing malalagpasan, ulul. Hindi mo trabaho mag-speech dyan. Ang trabaho ninyo is to present the evidence, palakasin yung kaso ninyo, hindi yung na gano siya, culpable violation of the Constitution, ulul, puking ina nyo. Kaya nga nandiyan dyan si Inday Sara to prove yung kanyang culpable violation of the Constitution. Just prove it, hindi yung panay ang speech nyo dyan, gago. Ang ina nyo.
Sa aking opening statement, because this is
Yes, but
supposed to be an
again,
overview
it is the
of the
court's
case,
position,
the overview of the evidence.
to let the witnesses speak, not the counsels, insofar as the evidence is concerned or conclusions of both fact and law. Kindly wind up, Honorable De Lima.
I submit to your honors, and so I will wind up. Kapag ang isang impeachable officer, tulad ng pangalawang Pangulo, ay nabuso ang kapangyarihan sa paraang sumisira sa accountability
Same
o
objection, Your
sumusuway
Honor.
sa
Yan na naman eh.
pananagutan, dapat pa ba siyang pagkatiwalaan? Dapat pa ba siyang manatili sa pwesto? When the Filipino people entrusted their
Ay na,
money to
nag-i-speech
Vice
ka na naman
President
eh.
Sara Duterte, was that trust honored? That question will not be answered by politics, by general denials, by press releases. It will be answered by the witnesses, by the documents, by audit, and by the evidence, and the
Boo, wala.
prosecution is ready
Oh,
to present
tangina.
it. Sa kabuuan ng ebidensya, makita
Tama
mo
na
hindi
yan.
lang mga simpleng irregularidad ang nangyari.
Objection, Your Honor.
Malinaw
Again,
ito.
objection, Your Honor.
Honorable De Lima, I would have to
Ang
stop
sistematikong
you.
paraan. This is out of
I would have
line.
to stop you at this point. The continuing objection of the respondent is duly noted. I would have to stop you at this point.
And I have to
My
stop
due
now.
apologies, but kindly call your witness already.
Thank you, Your Honors. I submit. Thank you very much.
Oh, di ba yun lang naman ang plano ng mga putang ina nito eh. Ang plano ng mga yan, sirain lang si Inday Sara. Hindi nyo na kayang sirain si Inday Sara. Wala na yan, yung mga speech nyo ganyan ga. Tangina, ang kaso mo, drugs. Ang kaso mo, drugs. Binibembang ka ng dalawang driver mo. Putang ina, may mga asawa yan. Ang kapal ng mukha mo magsalita para sa, para sa prosecution. Walang hiya, wala kang dangal.
Kami ang boses ng masa, hindi natatakot. Katotohanan lang, di kami nalulunod. Walang bahid ng sismis, lahat ay totoo. Kahit sino ka pa, pag mali ka babanatan ka. Walang pinipili kulay, wala kaming kinikilingan. Basta para sa bayan, kami lalaban. Pagdama palapakan, pag mali banatan, di matitinag, di matatakot. Para sa bayan, tuloy ang sigaw. Sa harap ng kamera, walang halong takot. Mga baluktot, lahat kayo'y tutumba. Ang hustisya at totoo, yun lang ang mahalaga. Kahit sinong harang, di kami matitinag. Walang pinipiling kulay, wala kaming kinikilingan. Basta para sa bayan, kami lalaban. Sa